Hello all, this is Leena, Client Manager Sales and Marketing with more than 12 years of experience. And I'm here with Saket Kumar Mishra, Analyst with the RC Advisory Group. Saket have just completed a market analysis report on vibration sensors. Today we will discuss the scope of the report, the trends, inhibitors, the leading suppliers, and how a vibration sensors report will be beneficial to the clients. Saket, can you elaborate on the scope of this market analysis report?
Sure, Lina. Thank you for the question. The scope of this market analysis report revolves around vibration sensors employed for measuring industrial machinery or equipment vibrations. This method of vibration measurement is paramount for evaluating machinery's mechanical conditions, especially in condition monitoring. The report encompasses revenue analysis derived from the shipment of five important vibration sensing technology, that is piezoelectric, piezoresistive, strain gauge, inductive, and capacitive.
I would be happy to know more about the supply landscape for this market.
When considering the supplier landscape for vibration sensors, we find several key players that stand out in this competitive market, like Shinkawa, Fluke, T Connectivity, Escape, Emerson, Baker Hughes, and Amphenol. These companies have firmly established themselves as leaders, not only in terms of market shares, but also in their global reach.
Great, Saket, to know that the leading suppliers of vibration sensors offers a broad range of devices. So what are the key growth or success factors?
Key growth and success factors, if we talk about, so vibration sensors are experiencing remarkable growth driven by several key factors. Firstly, their increasing use in predictive maintenance strategy has become a game changer. Secondly, the growing integration of vibration sensors with advanced technology like the Internet of Things and data analytics amplifies their effectiveness. Some of the other key growth factors include, I would say, information-driven manufacturing, demand for measuring, and demand in emerging economies. So, yeah.
Excellent, Saket, to know that the vibration sensors plays a crucial role. Is there any growth inhibiting factors?
Yeah, sure, Lina. Despite their promising potential, there are certain factors that can hinder the growth of vibration sensors. One significant challenge is the initial cost of implementation. High quality vibration sensors and the necessary supporting infrastructure can require a substantial upfront investment, which might deter some businesses, particularly smaller ones, from adopting them. Additionally, integrating vibration sensors into existing systems can be complex and time-consuming, posing compatibility issues and requiring specialized technical expertise. And some of the other inhibiting factors include skill gap, inflation, and current global economic scenario. So yeah, these are the inhibiting factors.
Thanks, Saket, to know that high-quality sensor and necessary supporting infrastructure and lack of awareness and understanding about the benefits are the major inhibiting factors of vibration sensors. So based on the above response, what strategies would you recommend to a buyer of the system?
Yeah, certainly. There are some strategy I would recommend it to a buyer. First is prioritize quality. Choose a reputable manufacturers for accurate and durable sensors backed by reviews and certifications. Secondly, I would say ensure compatibility. Select sensors that seamlessly integrate with existing systems and IoT platforms for effective data interpretation. And lastly, I would say explore advanced capabilities, means seek sensors with advanced solutions and leverage industrial IoT for optimal predictive maintenance.
Nice, Saket, for briefing the strategies you recommend to the buyers, like prioritize quality, ensure compatibility, explore advanced capabilities. Is there any other key trends or points you would like to share with the audience?
Yeah, absolutely. There are important key trends. One emerging key trend is the integration of wireless connectivity with vibration sensors. This allows for real-time monitoring and data transmission without the need of extensive wiring. enhancing flexibility and ease of installation. Secondly, I would say cloud-based platforms are becoming more prevalent for storing and analyzing vibration data. Remote monitoring through cloud solutions offers the advantage of accessing real-time information from anywhere, facilitating centralized data management and collaboration. Some of the other key trends, we can say industrial IoT enabled services, asset performance, and advanced analytics and machine learning. So yeah, these are the important key trends.
Thanks for sharing the key trends on wireless connectivity, machine learning, AI, remote monitoring, and cloud solutions. Saket, with all the above trends, how can buyers of the study benefit, like a supplier or asset owner or service providers?
If buyers are looking for this vibration sensor study, there are some great benefits for everyone. That is for supplier, asset owner, service providers. Suppliers get to understand what people need so they can make better products. Asset owners learn how to take care of their machine smarter, which means less downtime and money saved. Service provider can use the study to improve their services, making machines work even better. So it's a win-win for everyone, smarter choices, less hassle, and more efficiency. So yeah, these are the benefits.
Thanks, Saket. It was an excellent response for the queries, and I'm sure clients will be benefited by listening to you. Audience can feel free to reach out to us by visiting our website through the link given in the description. You can also fill in the contact info on our website to have in-depth conversation more about how the market analysis report like vibration sensors can help you and your company. Once again, thanks, Saket, for your time, and thanks to the audience. It was a great discussion.
Thank you, Leena. Thank you so much.
If you like what you saw in this video and want more informative content, be sure to like, comment, and hit the notification bell below. Also, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again, folks. We really appreciate the time, and we'll see you in the next video.